Hey everyone. In this episode, I want to do the toilet box reveal. Go over the build structure of it, my ideas, my theory, and the outcome. I hope you like the episode. Check it out. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Right now I'm painting the second coat on the toilet box and the second coat on the bedroom door. Alright, so here it is. This is a toilet box. This is everything that I've really been planning out. I drew up my plans for it. I did my measurements to see what I needed, my width. Basically, my idea with this is I needed an extra seat in my van. I wanted like an office style seat. I do have a couple other options going, but I wanted 2 seats for 2 different people, and I wanted like table options. So this was one of my ideas. I've always had bathroom options in my vans and never used them. So I wanted to kind of have the same idea with this one, but I wanted a real porta potty, and I wanted to hide it and make it so I had it available if needed, easily accessible, with a little travel box. With that being said, I ordered the 2.6 gallon Camco toilet. It's the smallest, lowest profile toilet I could find. It has great reviews. So this is it right here. It's very low profile. The width, the height, the length is all small. I know, like I think it's like 14 inches wide by 17 inches length, and only like 8 or 9 inches high. And that's not perfect, but it is relatively close. So what I did was I built a box around it so I could easily pull it out. I took the front and made the front hingeable, so if it was full of water or whatever else is going to be in there, I wanted to make it so I didn't have to lift it up and straight out. My plans are not to go to the bathroom with this toilet still inside the box, but again, a perfect little box to set it in, store it away, without people even really noticing it. So I painted it all up. I put latches on it. I put locks on it. So you have a lock on the outside to hold it closed. Fabric slider pads underneath so it's not damaging anything when it's sitting or being moved around. On the side, I have a perfect spot for whether you're using your notepads in office paperwork or toilet paper, hand sanitizer, hand soap, whatever you need. I also wanted to make handles to make it easily movable. The back handle, in the spot that it sits in my van, I can actually put a little hand towel right on the back. So I tried to make versatility with everything as well. And then I have this little seat cushion attached with Velcro. So you can Velcro right to the bottom. It's not going to come off. Boom. I will end up painting the inside of this too. I just didn't want to do a boring gray color on the inside, so I figured I'd wait and see what color paint I come up with, or what I have left over. At least do a two-tone with it. These are only child safety latches. Little cabinet latches that I used. This is just a standard drawer pull. And then the back is a towel rack. This is, I believe, a 6x12 organizer that I purchased right from Amazon in a 2-pack. I do have all my links in the description below. And RV toilet paper. It does break down a lot better. So, I really hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys love the idea as much as I do. I will show you what it looks like in miles once I release and show you exactly what I've been working on. Subscribe, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.